Stop it, write down. What is electropositivity? First point, write electropositivity. The tendency of, write down electropositivity, fast write. The tendency of letting a electron from outermost shell or valence shell is called electropositivity. The tendency means wishing. The wish of letting electron to outside. That is electropositivity. Then the next దాంట్లో ionization energy. The required energy to remove a electron from the atom is called the liberated required energy. The liberated required energy to remove an electron from outermost shell is called, or atom is called, ionization energy. Ionization energy. First carbon. First carbon, right? First carbon can not take. How many electrons there carbon? Morning I have told you. How many electrons? First shell 2, second shell 4. 4 means this is first. Outer shell ఎన్నుండే 4 ఉండే. 4 ఉండే. This is దీని ఏమంటారు IE1. What is this IE1? Right, IE1. IE1 next. If you want to remove this IE2, ionization energy 2. If you want to remove this IE3, IE4. Otherwise the textbook it is there. IE1, IE2, IE3, IE4. Finally, if you remove this electron, you will have to use more energy, more kilojoules per mole. You have to do approximately 50,000 calories, kilojoules per mole. If you want to remove final electron, we must use 50,000 kilojoules per mole. 50,000 kilojoules per mole. What is that? The energy to required to remove the electron from this outermost shell or inner shell. That energy is called ionization energy. First one is IE1, second one IE2. In that way, it goes on IE3, IE4, IE6. That is ionization energy. Next electronegativity. Right? The tendency means that is wish. The tendency of getting electron or accepting electron from another atom. Another atom like sodium. Sodium attract చేస్తుందనుకో. Sodium, it is called electronegativity. The tendency of attracting electron from another atom is called electronegativity. Here I have done that example. This is sodium. This is what is outermost shell? Outermost shell how many? Third shell how many? First shell 2, second shell 8. This is only 1. This is only 1. This is chlorine. First shell chlorine how many? First shell 2, second shell 8. Third shell how many? 7. 7 electrons. Here 1 electron is required to make a octet. Here 1 electron space is there. What does it do? it attracts this electron towards the chlorine. That tendency is called electronegativity. That tendency, the wish of this chlorine electron to take another electron from another atom is called electronegativity. The energy which it releases, that energy is called electroaffinity. Write down. That electron, write down. The tendency of electron for attracting towards itself is called electroaffinity. Here chlorine is attracting sodium electron. That attraction is called, that force is called, what is that force? Electrostatic force. That force is called electrostatic force. That attraction is called electronegativity. That releasing energy is called electroaffinity. Write down. Electroaffinity. These are very, very important. Next, what does do? What is the importance of the more the radius, the lesser the ionization energy. Rasko, the more the atomic radius, the lesser the ionization energy. That's why top to bottom ionization energy, what happened? Decreases. That's why top to bottom that energy decreases. Here electron affinity. Electron, what is that? Electron affinity is this is electron affinity kada. Electron affinity. Electron this is electron affinity. Electron affinity got decreases. The energy decreases while attracting another electron. Top to bottom decreases. And left to right, electron affinity increases. Ionization energy top to bottom decreases. And left to right increases. These are the two very, very important factors. And next, atomic radius. What is next atomic radius? Tell me. Top to bottom increases. Electron positivity. That top to bottom electron positivity here. Increase, top to bottom decrease. Next, metallic nature. Final increases, that side decreases. What is the formula which I have told you? A-triple-M versus I-triple-D, I-triple-D-double-I. If you write down, you can understand easily. Start it.